Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. So if this is your first time on the channel, I'm going to ask you please to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you're the first to get this video. Guys, I have a Suya Spice recipe for you today. I'm going to be making that African Suya Spice I'm trying for some time today, if not another day. But this is just the intro to that, and for those of you who have stuck with the channel and you have been watching from day 1 or day 2 or day 3, I thank you very much for coming back to watch another video. And I'm going to ask you please to continue to support and share the information. Please give me a like, leave a comment. Yes, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. And let's get started. Got done with the Suya Spice and I am super excited to try it. I already bought my chicken strips to try it on. You can use it on basically any type of meat. The Africans mostly use it on beef. They call it on a thing, they call it the skewer, and I think the Ghanaians call it kebab or spice kebab. So but the Nigerians call it suya, some say yaji, some say Suya Spice. So I'm super excited to try this, guys. I'm so excited. I'm not sure if you can see the excitement. Yeah, so I'm gonna be trying this. As I said, I have the chicken strips, so I'm gonna be trying the chicken strips first and see how it turns out. and I'm really, 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 really looking forward to the taste. I'm going to compare it to our Jamaican jerk seasoning. So I'm basically gonna have a reveal video where I you know, compare the two and tell you the pros and the cons, or of it, so, or the advantages and disadvantages, if I'm saying it the right way. But anyways, I'm going to be sort of, it's going to be sort of a comparison video as I go along. And so I want to thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please give us a, well, give me a like, leave a comment, and let me know your thoughts on the video. I enjoy what you call it now, I like constructive criticism. So please tell me, guys, though I'm working on very, very limited resources, but tell me of the different ways that you think I can improve on my presentation and on my videos, or if you have any ideas as to what you want me to, videos that you want me to do, I'd be more than willing to help you along there. So yeah, support, guys, continue to support, please. If you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Come on, I have other videos coming up that's going to be super, super interesting. And I want to say thank you for watching.